as a different type of MS Office versions that are available in the market. First one is 2020 in this 2007 Excel, which is older version, and currently we people are using Excel 365. So let's see the differences between the 2007 and 2010. Basically, 2007 is introduced the ribbon interface. I'll also explain this ribbon interface in the introductory videos. And 2010, which is improved the performance in the Excel. Last one is backstage view and chart board and this chart making. So which are features are added. Let's come to the next one, which is 2013 and 2016. 2013, they introduced flash fill to recommend the chart features and Power Query integration in 2016, and also the collaboration part. And let me take you through the next one, 2019 versus 365. Nowadays, one-time purchase this Excel is given for the latest 2019, and Excel 365 is a subscription based, which are mainly this 365 we are using for the collaboration with the storage which is given. Mostly this 365 is using right now in the companies, which are more secure and we are using in a daily life. So let me conclude this first introductory videos. Excel is mostly powerful for the data management, and the student and the business people, finance, and mostly into analytics we are using this Excel. So there are many versions which are helpful for to adopt this all the Excel in workspace. So let's deep into the Excel in the coming videos, and thank you for watching the introductory video, and we'll see next sessions. Thank you so much.